Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video let's talk about a new smartwatch from TAGG under the Verve series, the TAGG Verve Sense. So we had covered a lot of TAGG smartwatches. They're budget friendly as well as they pack in a lot of features. So now we have the latest version, the TAGG Verve Sense, and this also packs in a lot of features including measuring the body temperature, SpO2, blood oxygen level, heart rate monitoring. Everything is included. The selling price is around 2,299 rupees, and the special launch price is 1,999, that's 2,000 rupees. So what does this watch offer for 2K? Let's find out in this video. So we have been using this watch for almost a week now. So this is our experience using the TAGG Verve Sense. So let's get started. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So this is the box package. You have a beautiful box package, the watch in the front, 1.7 inches large display. You have 24 sports mode available. It also comes with an extra strap, which is a really good thing. You get the strap which is available. Extra one strap is also included in the box package. Now this is again really good. You get 100 plus watch faces available, then app and in-call notification, set and reminder, 24 sports modes, temperature monitor is there, body temperature will be monitored, then real-time heart rate sensing is there, then it is having real-time blood oxygen level, that's SpO2 measurement is also there, zinc alloy body, that means it's pretty good and sturdy, sleep tracking, IP67 waterproof, and up to 7 days of battery life is included. So that's the main feature. So this is the box package. So let's get started with the watch and show you the features. So this is the watch, the TAGG Verve Sense. You can see that it looks really good. The material finishing looks really premium as well. For 2,000 rupees, this is definitely good. We have this button here, and the strap is also good. You can see the holes in the strap, which gives a good feel, and the dual coloring also gives a beauty to the watch. It looks good. It comes in a lot of variety of colors. In fact, 12 color options are available, so you can choose from that. This is the additional strap which is included in the box package. So you can see here TAGG branding is there. This is the normal strap. In case you want, you can use that, but I feel this kind of strap definitely adds a more aesthetic feel to the watch. It looks really good. The dual coloring, and you can easily remove the strap. The back you get these sensors. You can see that these are the sensors for heart rate monitoring and SpO2 measurement. This is the charging port. It's a proprietary charging port. We have this magnetic latch mechanism. So that's it. Now the design and build quality looks good. You can see that the bezels of the display are also pretty minimal for a budget smartwatch. So it looks really good actually, and you can see that the build quality, fit and finish looks good. The button feedback is also pretty good. Now moving on to the display. Now it comes with a 1.7 inches large display, and the display quality is definitely good. You can see that the touch response feels very smooth. The colors are vibrant, vivid, and the overall quality of the display looks good. In fact, this is suggested 75% brightness. You can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. So that option is also there. So that's the display quality, and overall we feel for a watch in the 2000 price segment, this definitely feels good. Even the viewing angles are quite okay. And even it doesn't change colors much even when tilted. That is pretty good. So the display quality is definitely good, and the touch response overall also feels really nice. So that's the display. Now let's talk about the software. Now this is the main screen. You have different watch faces available. So if you just press and hold, you can actually change the watch faces. So a few of the pre-installed ones are there, but you can download tons of watch faces from the app. Will show that. Now from the top you swipe, you get these notification toggles, increase the brightness, find my phone, and you also get the notification option to either disabled. Then going to the settings, you have the dial option, brightness, then reset options are included. Now if you swipe from the bottom, you get these notifications from your smartphone, calls, messages, notifications are there. Then if you swipe from the right side, you can see the body temperature. It measures the body temperature. Then steps taken, the kilometer you have taken, and the calories burned, everything, all the details are there here. The next is the heart rate monitoring. Then you get the sleep tracking, then weather, and those are the details. So the interface looks pretty colorful and really engaging interface. So that's one good thing. Then from here, if you swipe from the left, you have the status, that's the steps taken. Then training, that's the workout mode. So outdoor running, cycling, swimming, badminton, tennis. So a lot of options are there, around 24 modes are there. Then heart rate monitoring, again this is heart rate monitoring. Blood oxygen level you can monitor from here. The body temperature, as I said before, a very good feature. Then sleep tracking. Then you get the weather, messages, music control. You can have the music control from here. Once connected, you can play music from here. Then other more options include stopwatch, timer, flashlight, and find phone. Then the settings. So a very good interface, actually very responsive as well, and works really well. So this is the interface. Now talking about the battery life, this device comes with almost 7 days of battery life, so you can get pretty good battery life. Almost a week you can get the battery life, which is pretty good for a budget smartwatch. So that's the battery, and this is the charging port. This is a proprietary charging port included. So this is the app for the TAGG smartwatch. You can download it from the Play Store or App Store. It looks pretty good, very clean interface. So you get the sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, body temperature. So you can see here it actually measures all these details. So heart rate, body temperature, everything is there. And now you also get the steps taken. The goals are set here. Now sports mode, you can see that different walking, outdoor running, indoor running, bicycle. You can start it from here. Then if you go to the device settings, you can see the battery. Then dashboard, we have different dials. So there are plenty of watch faces available. You can download them. So there are lots of options to customize. Very user-friendly interface, and tons of watch faces are there. Then you can set the heart rate monitoring automatic. Similarly for body temperature, blood oxygen level, call reminder is there. You can turn it on. And then you can see the sedentary reminder alert is there. Then additional options like raise hand to activate the display, then alarms, then regular options are also included. You can also set your profile here. So very neat and clean interface to manage all your data from the smartwatch. So that was the detailed aspects about the TAGG Verve Sense. Now this is using a Realtek chipset for improved performance, better accuracy, and also very fluid UI experience. It also has this Sense Plus technology for improved accuracy as well. And then you get different colors as well. That's something which is pretty good. So we have the black and the gray color. So there are 12 additional colors options also included. You also get this additional strap as well. So this is the TAGG Verve Sense Smartwatch, and this is priced 2299, and this is available for a limited time offer for ₹1,999. That's 2000 rupees. Very impressive pricing. So this is the TAGG Verve Plus, and we'll share the link in the description of this video in case you plan to buy this TAGG Verve Sense. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.